Joining a partners program is a great way to earn money by promoting specialized continuing education services and products to your audience. So we're pleased to announce that the TrapEAZE technique has an exciting partners program. If you have an active list of healthcare providers who can diagnose and treat upper back pain, then our partners program is for you. Our partners program pays up to $800 per sale on the front end and up to 10% on all back-end offers. Alternatively, if you're someone who knows a variety of people who all have lists, you can be a super affiliate and earn 3% on all sales across the spectrum for every sale made. Payouts are made every 3 to 5 days through PayPal. Our terms and conditions are available to review before signing up. You'll be able to track your commission's performance through Kartra's affiliate management software. We always encourage all of our partners to promote the TrapEAZE technique authentically. And that's because it's important to promote products or services that align with your values and beliefs, and to be transparent with your audience about the affiliate relationship. The more honest and authentic you are, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations. Overall, joining an affiliate program can be a great way to monetize your website or social media channels. By choosing our program, promoting it authentically, and tracking your performance, you can maximize your earnings and provide value to your audience at the same time. If you would like more insight into our TrapEAZE technique, all details for our Partners program is available on a dedicated Partners program page.